This is the KitchenAid cordless hand blender, and I have to say, I am so excited about this. I have been needing a new hand mixer for so long, and especially one without a cord. I hate when that cord gets in my way, so having this be cordless is such a game changer to me. I mean, it's a KitchenAid, so high quality. It looks beautiful. I love this base. All of the batteries, so this is a 12-volt battery that it comes with, and all of the KitchenAid cordless systems use the same battery, which I think is so great as you build your collection of those that you can use those to interchange within each other. It goes on so easily. And I also love that you have your charging markers right there so you'll know exactly when it needs to be charged. So it pops on and off super, super easily and clicks on. This is the arm. It's 7 inches and it's made with um, a 4-point stainless steel blade. And that also just snaps on so effortlessly. I love that you have this little stand that it comes with also that you can just put along the base right here so you're not going to damage the blade or cut yourself. It just kind of acts as a really nice guard when it's not in use. It also comes with a good little mixing base with some measurements on there. So if you're wanting to mix something individual, I'll use this a lot of the times for soups in the crock pot and things like that. But I love this too if you're wanting to just make like a little smoothie or something just quickly and individually, you have that option. And then it also has a lid, so if you're needing to also store something, again, such a great option. And then you've got your charger and then your charging cable. On here, you're going to have a few different speeds, which is also nice, just depending on what you're mixing and what you're needing. And then it also has a lock feature. And I think that's huge too, especially when you're mixing large amounts and you're just needing it to go and you don't want to have to keep pressing the button. That's also a great feature. So I'm super excited to use this. Came packaged well, looks beautiful, definitely high quality. I know it's going to do its job and I definitely recommend it.